3. Configuring bridge interfaces on your KVM hypervisor. Once you have completed converting your CentOS 9 server to a KVM host, you will need to prepare your infrastructure to now support the SCC VM guest instances. Each of the KVM hosts will need to have a valid bridge interface configured for both BR0 and BR1, appropriately mapping the correct LAN interface of each KVM hypervisor. Don't reverse them. Make sure you choose the correct mapped LAN interface. Each VM host will need to electronically latch through software to its virtual NIC for each corresponding bridge vPort interface. You might also think about installing the Bridge Utils software tool to help troubleshoot connection problems to your bridge in the future. Wireshark is also a good option and useful tool to allow for you to trace packets within your KVM hypervisor. Bridge 0 will be configured for a static address to correspond to your enterprise management network. Bridge 1 will be scoped from the CNI you select when running your install scripts during SCC appliance deployment. Your Kubernetes CNI SCC internal network will be selectable to any subnet you wish during configuration deployment during SCC appliance deployment. This will come later in your SCC appliance deployment. The default is 10.x.x.x subnet unless you change it. Once you configured your BR1 interface, it will be a candidate to receive a DHCP address from the underlay cloud network. Follow the commands listed in order presented in this video clip. Be sure to test reachability to your KVM hypervisor BR0 interface with a ping. It should ping successfully. Later, your VM SCC appliance will follow suit as being reachable.